my new graphics card. Oh, gotta get some money. Oh yeah, my new graphics card is here. Thank you. Look at that. Now that is a graphics card. I bet I'm gonna get at least 10 FPS on CS 1.6. Oh, world objectives. Alright, then the hard card is in, and let's see if the Call of Duty 2 Modern Warfare can make zombies. Well, this is my computer. I've got this has electricity inside it. That makes that one, and this is that's where all my porn is. And then this one is one time I put it on my tongue. It was pretty cool, but I don't remember what happened after that. And this is called motherboard. This one gives birth to this big daddy here. And then this makes my graphics capabilities. Look, I turn it on, and then now I have 2 monitors. This is how it works, guys. See, that's how it works. If I turn it off, I only have 1 monitor. See, it's not good, because if you only have 1 monitor, you can only play 1 game. But if I turn it on, then it puts 2 monitors, and it also gives me a mice. And this one lets you play more than 2 games at the same time. Okay guys, now I'm running Sims 3D, but you see the resolution still isn't fantastic, right? So see, it's very low, and the frame is high too much. And if you like press, you have to press special keys to hack it to make it faster. So you do that, and then you type faster graphics cards, and then you see at the same time I'm running Counter-Strike Source 1.9, and the same time as The Sims. So once you've hacked it, what you have to do is turn your turbo tuning on, and you have to put at least 2 USBs into the USB, and then once you've put the other USB inside, then you'll see once you have to hack and press these keys, specifically very special keys, and then type this one, and then after that, and then what you gotta do, guys, is you type the secret password, and then that's it. Once you press the A on the controller, then okay guys, let me know if you liked the tutorial. If you liked it, just 1 like, 1 comment something, and I'm giving away, actually I will be giving away 1 Backstreet Boy. One of the Backstreet Boys, I will give them to you for free, and you can keep them forever. Do whatever you want.